Hey you guys, just thought I share a little something with y'all. Of course, this would be my first video that I post on this channel. Initially, when I started this channel, I didn't know what to start off with or anything. I just looked at some of the trends that were out there. If you see, there's quite a few topics that a lot of these YouTubers do: politics, religion, and it's a whole variety of things. But mainly, I thought I would focus on more of a tutorial based video. I thought I'd show this because mainly I got a lot of small projects laying around my house, and thought I'd focus on this. Basically, what I'm holding here is what they you call a Peltier unit or a thermoelectric generator. It all depends how you want to use it. And basically, how this works is that if you see here, you have two leads, a positive and a negative. And the way this works is that you apply a power source, either a battery or any DC power source. And what it does is that one side of the unit would get super cold while the other side would heat up. Basically, what it's doing is just pulling the heat from whatever object or heat source it's coming from. Now, if you do this if you do this vice versa, what you call it, like I initially designed this for, you can actually generate a substantial amount of power. Not that much, of course. It all depends on the Peltier unit you have. What I did here is put a metal plate to heat this up, and on the other side I got a heat sink from an old power supply. And what I did is got thermal conductive paste that they use on the CPUs, and I layer it on each side, but I also layer it with automotive silicon paste that's usually designed for heating. Well, the thing is that I did this, and pretty much what it gave me at high heat, it gave me roughly one ampere of current. Also, the roughly the max amount that I got earlier was roughly around one volt or so. Even it all depends how much heat you're supplying it though. Now, generally these are designed for like roughly 12 volt from a 12 volt power supply. Now, to get into the specifics of this, the way this thing works is basically what you have in here inside. I wish I could show you how this looks, but basically what you have inside is it's a sandwich of two ceramic plates. They're thin white ceramic plates. Inside here, there's an array of diodes, mainly made out of bismuth. And what this does is that it has a special property called the Peltier effect. And what happens is that like I described earlier, one side superheats while the other one super cools. Now, the thing about this is that you have to have if you wanted to if you wanted to generate good amount of current, or if you want to use the other way around and what you call it, you want to super cool something, you must have a cold source. The reason or or a good heat source. Mainly, you need both a good heat source and a cool source. And the reason why is this: if you try to apply power just on the unit itself, one side will cool and everything. However, what will happen? It'll get to a limit where the heat starts transferring back over to the cooler side, and effectively the whole device will start heating up. The reason why is that the heat's not dissipating efficiently to keep up with the demand of power. So basically, that's why you need a heat sink or anything cold. It can be even water for whatever device that you use to cool off. Basically, they have these devices and a lot of electronics today. They have what you call they have little refrigerators, and these refrigerators you can now buy them on eBay, and basically you just buy them. You put water bottle or soda or whatever, and you connect it to your computer through a USB port, and it'll just pretty much cool your drink while you're on the computer. So they also have some of these and some of the upcoming air conditioners, and they even have Peltier unit refrigerators as well. Now, there's several ways to cool keep one of the sides cool. Well, a lot of people they might use fans. Others have like water heat sinks, and basically what it is that um, on this side, instead of having a regular heat sink, what they do is that they install a heat sink in which water runs through, which can be powered um, to which they can run water through a pump or so, or whatever they like to use. Um, this one is like, I would say this one of these units roughly would cost about $20 or so on eBay. The ones you most common ones would be like basically 20 centimeters by 20 centimeters. This one is 20 by 40s, which cost me quite a little bit more. At the time, I paid like $39.99 for one unit or so. So if you're interested, go ahead and check out my link on the description below, and so. And I'll see you next time.